Here's your full guide on how to apply fake nails and make them last. We are going from this to this. The first step is to choose the size of the fake nails. Each set comes with a lot of different sizes, so all you have to do is measure the fake nails over your real nails and see which one fits better. Then you can gently fire your nails over your nail and also size of your nails. It's always best to have very short nails when you're applying fake nails so they will keep clean for longer. Now it's time to gently push your cuticles back so you can have perfect and beautiful nails. You can use a cuticle pusher or a cuticle stick. By the way, you can also file your fake nails if they need any perfection in the size or shape. Now, this is a very important step. A lot of sets come with a prep pad, or you can use a nail dehydrator, alcohol, or even vinegar and acetone to remove the natural oils from your hands and nails. You have to apply it on your nails so they will be cleaner and they will make the glue stick for longer. To apply the fake nails, you can use stickers or you can use nail glue. Here I'm gonna use the nail glue. You can apply a bit of the nail glue inside of the fake nail, and you can also apply a very thin layer on your real nail. Just remember, always very thin layers of glue. Then all you have to do is put the nails in the right place and press them on. You have to check the instructions from the brand of the nails you're using. Mine is from a brand called Betty Cora, and I will leave the link in the description. But for these nails, you have to press them for 15 to 20 seconds and then you're done. Your fake nails have no other drying time like a nail polish and you get beautiful nails. Just repeat the steps and you have amazing nails with no effort. Now, if you want to learn how to have beautiful hands and nails without removing your cuticles, you have to watch this next video.